Come and spend the day with me as a mom with 2 sets of twins. Y'all, I am not a morning person, let me tell you. But I started my morning off by steam cleaning the floor. And I'm still on my weight loss journey, and you can tell by looking at me here, I've lost some weight, okay? Tita's helping me do the dishes. She is actually baby B from my first set of twins. And Coco is actually baby A from my second set of twins. Now I'm just gonna chop up some peppers. I'm making lasagna and then a spaghetti. I make mine a little bit differently. I know this is not the normal way you make it, but this is what I'm doing. Here's our lasagna. I can cook it whenever I want. I just pop it in the oven. And then I have leftover sauce. Y'all, I drink a ton of water and I love this thermos. It's 64 ounces and it keeps my stuff so cold. Tita approves the pasta, and we're ending part 1 with the girls cleaning up their coloring supplies. Y'all, this is part 2 because it was a busy day. I got a deep treatment mask for Coco's hair because she had a lot of buildup, and then I had to rinse it out, but y'all, her hair is so thick. After that, I put it into different sections and my fingers were just done. If you have carpal tunnel, you know what I mean. After that, I decided to make a honey bun cake, but y'all know I used my other pan for the lasagna, so I ended up having to use a bundt pan. Is it called a bundt pan or a bundt? What is that called? Anyway, I love to bake and I love to cook, and I love when my house smells like food, even though I'm on my weight loss journey. But most of the time, I don't even eat the things that I bake. It's more so for the kids and the husband. But if you watch part 1, you'll know that this was a very productive day and everyone loved the honey bun cake.